What's going on? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video, I'll be sharing a brand new method which is in very much trend, but nobody is looking at that, and there is absolutely very less competition there. And you can really make money over there, a bunch of money. Even you can build a six-figure business with that without investing even a single rupee. Okay. So if you are interested in these kinds of videos like making money online and business related videos, you should go below the video and hit the subscribe button now so that you do not miss any of the videos on daily basis on the channel. Okay, so without being delayed, let's start this. The thing over here is that this is the trend where everyone is creating the websites, and there is basically trend of the e-commerce websites and all these kinds of stuff. Everyone want to start an online business, whether it's kind of e-commerce store or a simple website. So this is the trend when you can make a charge a big money from there. But how, if you are not aware how to create a website, how to do that stuff? And trust me, you are not gonna do any of work. You are just gonna to take the money. That's your work only. What you need to do, just reach out to the clients who are looking for the sites. Well, let's say you are reaching out to the clients through the Facebook. Actually, Facebook is one of the best method to do this. Okay, I'm going to show you over here. You can reach out to these guys, and over here you will see the website designer, website needed. You'll see the tons and tons of bloggers over there. And what you can do, you can also do one thing. Okay, you can search like yeah, blogging. There are tons and tons of guys which are new in the blogging niche, and they want to start their website. Okay, they just want to start their website. Over here you need to go to the blogs, and you need to go these kinds of groups and just join them. There are some of the guys who are asking that I want to create a website, anyone can help me, and whatever it is. Okay, what do you need to do then? Just reach out to them and tell them you are going to create a website for them absolutely for free. Absolutely for free. And but how are you going to make money when, if you are going to charge and not going to charge anything from the by not creating the website, by creating the website? What do you need to do? Just ask them, you are going to create the website for free, but what the hell, they are going to pay for the domain, they are going to pay for the hosting. And that's the point where it comes. Let me just show you over here. Okay, it's the Bluehost hosting. Okay, Bluehost hosting. Okay, Bluehost hosting affiliate. You can literally just go, there is a bunch of money you can make over here. You can sell the domains, you can tell them but how are you going to create the website? This is the first question that everyone asks. What do you need to do? Just go to the fiverr.com and first of all tell them that you are going to create the website for free. This is the first step. The second step over here is just ask them for you can tell them that you can provide them good kinds of services like providing them domain name and setting up their hosting absolutely for free. You can tell them. Okay, so they don't have any kind of knowledge relating to hosting, because it's one of the crucial step in starting a blog. Okay, what do you need to do? Just go to these sites, kind of Bluehost affiliates, and you can ask these guys that I'm gonna to provide you hosting. So I'm literally I'm gonna to provide you a bundle package. Okay, I'll helping you to create a website for free, but what I can do, I'll manage your social media sites, I'll do search rankings for you. Okay, I'm gonna do set your WordPress theme over here. So what you can do, you can make money from all this stuff. Look at the stuff over here. Join the affiliate team and earn $65 for each sign up. This is the bare minimum you can make. These are paying over $1,000 for just a single client. This is the bare minimum they are showing. Okay. I'm going to tell you a step by step this process. The first thing you need to do, just reach out to the clients and tell them you are going to create their website for free. That's it. Okay, that's it. You are going to create a website for free. Okay, now how are you going to ask them for the money? You can tell them that if you are going to let him to buy him domain hosting, you can also give him kind of discount from his side. But if he is going to ask that why are you doing this, you can tell him that I'm a new guy and I want to build my clientele, that's why I am doing this. So what you can do, you are earning $65 over here, and you can show them everything, and you can just provide them the $30 back, so that you will be making the clients with you for years and years. You just need to refund them one time, so that he will think that this guy is helping me. You just need to make good relations with them. Okay, he's gonna to pay you for the buying the domain and hosting, and there are where you are getting payment for the affiliate, for being the affiliate. You can sell the hosting, you can sell the you are gonna to sell whatever. It's the first of all, you can sell the hosting, you can sell them WordPress templates, WordPress themes, and whatever you can also tell them that you are going to manage their social media sites, okay, with which you can also make a bunch of money. So they are not going to pay you for setting a website, but they are going to pay you for managing their social media. Why? Because you have done something for free, you are providing them value. Okay, you are providing them value. They are going to pay you to help them, they are going to give you money to help them to set up their WordPress site, to buy their site for them. Okay, and you are giving, you are giving them value by creating the website for free, by giving them some amount of your affiliate commission, so that you can build long-term relations with them, and they are not going to charge you anything discount for this service. Okay, this service is not they are not going to ask for discount, because now they are trusting you. And over here you can make only and only $10,000 per client from this much state only, from this much thing, from by the SMMA only, social media marketing. You just need to do simple things over here, and you can also make a bunch of money from this. If you are not going to make money from this, you can make a bunch of money with this. Basically you need to provide them something for free. Here you are setting their website for free, and in return you are going to build a clientele for which you are getting social media marketing. You are going to provide affiliates for hosting, for themes. Okay, and that is basically the point comes when you will start building relationship, and they will be with you for a very long time. That's the point over here. And if you have any comment, let me know down in the comment section. You have any query, I'm going to solve it for you. Okay, and if you think that I'm providing you value through this video, then do go below the video and hit the subscribe now. Okay, so you do not miss any of the videos like making money online without investing even a million, without investing even a dime. Okay, so at last, thanks for watching.